Hello everyone, it's Ruben here, and today I'm going to talk about staking, network weight, and why it sometimes may vary until you get your staking reward. So let's go to our TokenPay wallet. So if you go in here and hover over this icon, you can directly see staking. Your weight is 2,340, network weight is 2,389,273, expected time to earn reward is 18 hours. So in order to do stake, all you have to do is to have TokenPay in your public address, leave the wallet open several hours a day, 24/7 if you want to get the fullest out of it, and that's how you stake. The coins need 2 to 3 hours in order to mature, and that's when you are staking. But Ruben, why does the expected time to earn reward change? Well, the expected time to earn reward is also calculated on how many people are staking. So to get a better understanding of this, I made something with paint. Let's say the TokenPay total supply is 10 million coins, and the yearly reward will be 10 million, will be 10% annually, also known as 1 million. Only half of the people are staking, or half of the coins actually. So 5 million coins. But the reward will stay the same. It will still be 1 million coins that will be distributed among the people who are staking. So the reward will be multiplied by 2 as the weight is divided by 2. So at 5 million, instead of 24 hours until reward, it's 12 hours. But it's possible that like in the next 6 hours, everyone starts staking again. Thus, the network weight will go up, and thus it will take longer until you get your reward. However, let's make it very clear that the 5% a year is the minimum. The 5% a year for staking we are getting is if everyone is staking. So that's the reason why it's sometimes changing, because the network weight is going down to, like, for example, 2 million. So that's almost a dividend of 7. So the time until you get your reward will go down by 7 as well. But then later in the 2-3 hours while you checked, it may go up again from 2 million to 4 million, thus doubling your current time. And that's the reason. But again, you will still get 5% a year or more. The 5% a year is if everyone is staking, which not everyone is. So I hope this made it clear for you. If you still have questions, feel free to comment. Do not forget to leave a like, subscribe if you want to, and make sure to check the official Twitter and Facebook of the TokenPay team. Have a great day everyone. I'm out. Bye bye.